Hello YouTube, welcome back to Bald Man Building an Airplane. This is Flaps video 15, and in this video we will be attaching the top skin and the bottom skin to the spar of the, I can't remember if this is the left or the right flap. I think this is the left. The thought that I was finishing in the last video was about the stiffness of the flaps versus the ailerons. I was thinking that the flaps actually needed to be more heftily built, more sturdy than the ailerons as well, because of the amount of force that they take. Being at a 45-degree deflection at, like, I don't know what the speeds are offhand, but probably something like 85, 90 knots. That's a lot of airflow to deflect, and they have to be pretty strong. So, yeah. Okay, so it looks like there is some riveting to the skins here. On the right flap, when I did the skins to the ribs. On the right flap, when I did the last two trailing rivets on the top skin, I messed one up. I had my son holding the bucking bar behind, and I was like sort of doing a back rivet thing from inside, because the plans say do them with, back rivet them. I didn't like that result. They want you to shim the whole thing up on a board and blah, 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 or, cut a piece of, cut into your workbench so you can insert the back rivet plate and get a nice smooth surface. I didn't have a straight enough workbench. My straight table is actually my wife's craft table, so I'm not gonna use a router and cut into that for my back rivet plate. So instead what I did is what you see here is I have a 4-inch yoke with just a flat end on it, so it's a no-hole yoke. It's just used for squeezing rivets, and that reaches in there really nicely to set those last two rivets. No need to do all sorts of back rivet shimming, and if you do back rivet with someone holding something on the other side, just like standard bucking, there's no risk of pushing the skin out like I did on the right flap. The right flap turned out fine. It was just a little cosmetic defect realistically. So here we're gonna do some work on, we're gonna put the bottom skin on and attach to the spar. At least I think that's what's going on here. Oh yeah, I've got the digital level out. I had some trouble. So I thought I had it pretty good, but I had a little trouble getting this flap more aligned than the right one. The right flap came out with no twist at all. This flap came out with, I think it was something around 1/8 inch of twist at the trailing edge on one side. So like a half of a degree, if that. It's really minor, not really noticeable. But yeah, I worked on it, and I just couldn't get it straight enough, even banging on it with a dead blow hammer and whatnot. So just kind of was like, okay, well, this is how it's going to be. It's close enough, half a degree on the digital level, and then move forward with it. So we're going to complete using the long bucking bar there, and in the next one, I believe we'll be doing some trailing edge work. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you next time.